the Cosmopolitan. Just the name evokes a certain image. It's glamorous, it's sophisticated, it's damn delicious. This cocktail has a reputation that precedes it, often seen in the hands of the stylish and the chic. This isn't some dusty relic from a bygone era. No, the Cosmopolitan is very much alive and well, thriving in the modern cocktail scene. This is a cocktail that stood the test of time. It's been a favorite for decades, and for good reason. It's a drink for the ages, a true classic that brings people together, whether at a high-end bar or a casual get-together. Some folks, they stick their noses up at a Cosmo. They might think it's too flashy or too mainstream. They think it's too something. Too girly, too trendy, too passé, too girly, too trendy, too mainstream, too damn good for them. Who knows, but they're missing out. The Cosmopolitan is more than just a drink, it's an experience. The Cosmo is a classic for a reason. It's perfectly balanced. Each ingredient plays its part in creating a harmonious blend. The tartness of the cranberry, which gives it that beautiful blush color, the tang of the lime, adding a zesty kick, the bite of the vodka, providing the perfect amount of strength, all smoothed out by the orange liqueur, which ties everything together with a hint of sweetness. It's a symphony in a glass, a well-orchestrated blend of flavors that dance on your palate. So next time you're looking for a drink with a little bit of kick, a little bit of flair, a little bit of class, and a touch of elegance, and a whole lot of flavor, a burst of taste in every sip, do yourself a favor. Order a Cosmopolitan. Indulge in this timeless classic, or better yet, make one yourself. You won't regret it. Follow the simple steps and you'll have a perfect Cosmo in no time. Now, the Cosmo's history is a little murky. Like most good cocktails, its origins are shrouded in mystery. Some say it was invented in the 70s, others claim it goes back even further. Who really knows? But one thing's for sure, the Cosmo as we know it today, that's thanks to a guy named Toby Cecchini. Back in the 80s, he was slinging drinks at the Odeon in New York City. He took an old cocktail recipe, tweaked it, and boom, the Cosmopolitan was born. His version used citron vodka, a splash of Cointreau, fresh lime juice, and just a touch of cranberry for that signature pink hue. It was an instant hit. People went crazy for it. But the Cosmo's rise to fame, that was thanks to a little show called Sex and the City. Carrie Bradshaw and her crew, they made the Cosmopolitan synonymous with glamour, sophistication, and female empowerment. Suddenly, every woman was ordering Cosmos in bars from Manhattan to Malibu. It became drink to be seen with. And let's be honest, who didn't want to be like Carrie and her friends? The show may be long gone, but the Cosmo's legacy lives on. It's a cocktail that transcends generations. It's a drink that says, I'm here to have a good time, and that's something we can all get behind. To section 4, the anatomy of a Cosmo, ingredients that dazzle. Now let's talk about what makes a Cosmo a Cosmo. It's not just any cocktail, it's a symphony of flavors that come together to create something truly special. First and foremost, you need good vodka. This is the backbone of your Cosmo. None of that cheap stuff. Cheap vodka can ruin the entire experience. You want something smooth, something that won't overpower the other flavors. Next up, Cointreau. This is key. It's an orange liqueur, but it's not as sweet as triple sec. It's more refined. It adds a subtle complexity that you just can't get anywhere else. It's like the secret ingredient that elevates the drink. Then you've got your lime juice, freshly squeezed, of course. This adds a zesty freshness, none of that bottled crap. Fresh lime juice makes all the difference. And just a splash of cranberry juice, not too much, just enough to give it that iconic pink color. It's the final touch that makes it visually stunning. These 4 ingredients, they work in perfect harmony. Each one plays its part. It's like a well-choreographed dance in your mouth. Every sip is a balanced blend of flavors, making it a timeless classic. Section 5, crafting the perfect Cosmo, a step-by-step guide. All right, let's get down to business. Today we're diving into the art of making a classic cocktail that never goes out of style. Here's how you make the perfect Cosmo. Follow these steps closely and you'll impress anyone with your bartending skills. First, grab your cocktail shaker, fill it with ice. This is crucial for getting that perfect chill. Then add 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of Cointreau. These are your base spirits, providing the kick and the sweetness. Next, add 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Fresh is always best for that zesty punch. And finally, 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice. This gives the Cosmo its signature blush and a hint of tartness. Now put the lid on that shaker and shake it like you mean it. This is where the magic happens. You want to hear that ice rattling around in there. It means you're chilling and mixing everything perfectly. You're not just mixing the drink, you're bruising it, you're waking it up. This step is essential for a well-balanced cocktail. Once it's nice and cold, grab your martini glass. Presentation is key. You want it chilled too. A warm glass can ruin the experience. None of that warm glass nonsense. Always go for a chilled glass. Strain the drink into the glass. This ensures a smooth, ice-free cocktail, and there you have it, a perfect Cosmopolitan. Enjoy your creation and savor every sip. Section 6, garnish and presentation, the final flourish. Now, some folks, they like to get fancy with the garnish. A lime wedge, an orange peel, a sugared rim. Me, I like to keep it simple. A single orange peel, just a hint of citrus to complement the drink. The key to a good garnish is to make it look effortless, like it just happened organically. Don't overthink it, just let the drink speak for itself. There you have it, the Cosmopolitan, a classic cocktail that's as timeless as it is delicious.